Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic game tutorial how to create bokeh photo. So we have this example photo and you can select the objects. So I will use these tools, pre-select tools, and I will create from this point. So you can select the main object and then the background to make the blur. So the first you need to select the main object like this. It's just for the example. For it, you can go to select and then click import. We need to set for background into blur. You can go to filter, click blur, and then I will use Gaussian blur. So you can increase, decrease in it for the size. And if you done, you can click OK. Or you can deselect by go back into select menu, click none. So we already create this example bokeh photo with Gimp software. And if you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.